it's really pretty simple. We're suing. We're asking for injunctive relief, which is more or less like a cease and desist. Pull back what you have initiated. And what's been initiated is a little bit crazy because we've got terrorists, we've got human traffickers, we've got all sorts of people coming across the border. We've had riots in cities all across the country, no federal presence at all, apart from federal buildings, no FBI, no DHS. But if you look at a school board meeting here in Northern Virginia, just last week at the Fairfax County School Board meeting, they had Department of Homeland Security branded vehicles there. And they're saying we're terrorists. And what it really does, they're saying we're terrorists because we're disagreeing with the government. And what it really does is it causes us to live in a climate of fear right now while my 4 kids, ages 7, 5, 3, and just 2 weeks old, are in my home. Is the FBI going to kick in the door and haul me out, with rifles and handcuffs because I disagree with the school board? And that's just simply unacceptable. It's a violation of my constitutional rights, as you said, my First Amendment, my Fifth Amendment rights. So something had to be done, and I'm proud to be among a small group of parents that is pushing back against this.
Let me go to Robert for legal purposes here. In the lawsuit, it said this: the October 4th, 2021 memorandum is one-page screed that rubber stamps the claims of progressive left-wing activists. It fails to address the Department of Justice's lack of jurisdiction to intrude on interactions between parents, local school boards, in the absence of any federal crime. And it fails to account for the fact that the First Amendment protects political dissent, even dissent that rises to the level of intimidation or harassment. Robert, your thoughts on this, because this was pressed yesterday at the hearing where the AG stuck by violence, but intimidation is mentioned in there too, and that was kind of skirted around.
Yeah, what you have here is the Attorney General who's weaponizing his office to go after private citizens like Joe and other parents who are speaking out at these school board meetings, which are public forum, which is fully protected by the First Amendment. Now, realize the First Amendment protects not only against heavy-handed frontal attacks, such as an actual arrest or a prosecution, but also from being stifled by more subtle government interference, such as the threat of investigations. Right? This was a clear warning shot across the bow of these parents who oppose this left-wing progressive agenda being forced upon their children in the public schools, that you need to cease and desist. Well, the First Amendment prohibits that sort of attack on their speech. And there is no national widespread, violence at these school board meetings. There's no federal bases to begin with for a jurisdiction to get involved in this case. This is a pure political act on the part of the Attorney General to wield the forces of the federal government to silence dissident speech, to silence political views that they disagree with. This is Orwellian, it is tyrannical, and it's unconstitutional. And I'm very proud to be able to defend, these parents who not only speaking up at the school board meetings, but are also going to federal court to defend their constitutional rights against this sort of direct attack. And, all Americans will benefit from this, right? The courts have said time and again, it's always in the public interest to protect a party's constitutional rights. So while this lawsuit is being filed on behalf of very strong and convicted parents who are standing up, they are standing up for the rights of all parents and private citizens who want to speak out against these policies being imposed in their public schools, and they have an absolute right to do so. And we're going to ensure that right is protected through this lawsuit.
I'm out of time with you, but I want to thank Joe for coming on. I appreciate you sharing that. Joe Mobley, Robert Muise, thank you so much for that. We're continuing to watch lawsuits. It's either against the city, the state, government. A lot of pushback here, especially legally.
Hey, I'm Rob Finnerty. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please join the conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, too. Hit the bell icon to be alerted to breaking news. And remember, there's a whole lot more on Newsmax TV, America's fastest growing cable news network. Newsmax TV, we're real news for real people.